Like me, I wanna be with you all the time.
Are you kidding me?
Sino bang hindi magalit yan? Look. Sino bang hindi magalit? Tignan nyo to. May party ba?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything family. Hi, mga ka-everything dyan. Yeah, it's already 10 o'clock. Dito tayo sa office ni Tamimoy. Bakit mo ginaw dito? Mag-arrange lang ako guys kung alin yung kasi nakapundok dito mga papel. So, ilagay natin dito yung mga importanteng bagay sa drawer. Ito yung office niya, di ba? Okay, aalis si Mister. Pupunta siyang isang bahay. May anuhin sila doon. Titignan ng itapon yung basura. Kasama yung Yeah, kasama niya yung kapatid. Asawa ng kapatid niya. Yun. Ilagay natin yung dito mga gamit niya. At itapon yung hindi na pwede. I put your important stuff here. I put the bill here. The top one. Listen, you're not leaving me yet, huh?
Soon.
Han, you told me you're going to wait for him to call you.
No, I would like to be on my way, or at least there before he calls.
What is this big brother, big sister? Oh, this is for this. Oh, this is 2020.
Yeah.
So who gave you this?
That was a tax that I tried to put through last year, but they wouldn't take it because it has to go for this year.
Okay, so why you just dump it everywhere? Magluto tayo ng lumpia. Ito na lang yung last na lumpia na bag frozen. So next time gagawa tayo. Pag ilista ko yung yung bilhin ko, gulay naman at saka seafood. So ngayon magpo-fry tayo. Ito na lang yung last. Masarap maglumpia, guys. Ikaw na yung gagawa kaysa kaysa bibili ka. Kasi kapag bibili ka, mahal. Ka na lang gawa. Gagawa ka na lang. Para next time, I have to, yung bag, sealed. Para hindi siya masira. So, hintayin. I have to wait for a while, okay? But you wait, okay?
Why am I waiting?
Because I cooked this for you and me. Because still, you're going to eat something. It's good. Seriously, you're not leaving yet. I don't want you to leave. Nah, don't leave yet. I don't want you to leave. Ito talagang mga laruan ng aso talaga. Balik trabaho dito sa opisina ni Dudong Tami. Yun. Ko lang itong mga bill. Tinitignan ko lang yung bill na dapat bayaran. Hala, ang laki ng mortgage namin, guys. Dito kami talaga mamamatay sa mortgage. Hindi namin binayaran kasi inano siya sa government. Parang hindi ka pwedeng magbayad ng dahil sa COVID, di ba? So, nag-build up siya, guys. So, sabi pa ni Tami, the next 3 months from now, you have to talk to your mortgage. Makausapin mo yung mortgage para paano mo siya babayaran. Kasi nagbi-build up, diba? And then plus yung tax. So, yun. Bayaran namin yung tax. And then we have to do kung kailangan ba siyang additional few years bago siya ma-impasse, bago siya matapos. Or you have to add few percent. Mga ilang percent para mag-add sa monthly, no? Mga like 200. Additional 200 monthly. Kasi ang laki na, guys. Magwa 1 year na siya this coming March or April na hindi namin nabayaran. 27,000 na. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi man yan bayaran mo siya ng buo. Han, can you just give me a big, huge hug, Han? I'm so hurt right now.
1 lamb.
1 lamb, 2 bread, 2 nabs.
4 nubs.
4? Seriously, Tommy?
3 turkeys.
Huh? That's it. Huh? It's expensive now.
2 sugars.
That's it, Tommy, please. Hey, I know you run around over there. I bring the receipt, huh? What is that? Tell me.
On AA batteries.
How many batteries you need?
AA's. We're low on AA. That flashlight takes 12, remember. Take up we use all of them right away. Hi, I going. Fry your crap. I going.
Oh,
I'm gonna feed the cats dry before I go.
listen to me.
What now?
Can you wait for a while?
No, hon.
You're really going.
I am really going.
My hurt.
Hon, you're not
My
hurt. You're gonna go
heart
back to your computer, back to your game.
No, my
You
heart
will.
hurt.
You're fine. Knock it off. You're fine. I'm back. You know how to reach me. Got it?
What are you getting?
Okay, hon. I'm not taking it on the list. You know what I'm getting. I put it on the list.
Look at that. Because you are gonna, oh, I get this, I get that, I get this. Honey,
Yeah.
can you behave?
Doesn't mean life stops turning.
Yeah. Like we are starving. That he shaved, guys.
Bye, guys.
He needs
I'm gonna give you
haircut.
dry food.
Tomorrow haircut, huh? Drive careful and I will talk to you later.
Yeah.
Bring the receipt. Gastador kasi ito, guys. Gastador. Seriously, honey. Hunt my ass like you have a big office. It's in the, I put it in the thing. Container. Yeah.
Like you store on the desk, like you haven't eaten in a week.
Little bit, ha? Little bit only. So, ito po yung ulam natin, guys. Yan. Umalis na si Tami. The rice is almost done. And yung, iwan ko na lang, guys. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. I still have to work. Kasi mayroon pa tayong, inayos ko lang tong tabon. Meron pa tayong i-editin na video. What are you doing? I thought there's no one in there, in the basement. What is that for?
To put tools in, to carry back to it. Like tools, put something in.
You have more tools in there?
There's all this stuff in there. You're not coming to say goodbye to me. I don't love you.
Why?
Bye.
You miss me already.
Yeah. I'm going. I will lock the garage.
Hey,
Remember, if you decide to go,
rug.
chicken strips, freaking rug crap.
What do you want? I'm not going, and you need to be with me because
I'm fine. You were the one who said you were going.
Unlike you wanna go alone. Me, unlike me, I wanna be with you all the time.
Are you kidding me?
Drive careful, huh? Ann,
Bye, Cubby.
drive careful, and I will talk to you later. Hey, the garbage fill, huh? The 2 is food. Okay? Yeah, hopefully the animals doesn't dig in. Kain tayo. Last na itong yung tinula. Hindi ko kasi siya agad matapos-tapos. So ngayon tapusin natin yung tinula na yan. Asan yung plato ko? Walay pala akin ng plati. Mag-ano tayo? Paper plate. Paper plate gamitin dahil. Hindi pa tapos yung rice ko. Ang dami ko pang rice. Kaya white rice muna yung gamitin natin. Pero at saka hindi pa ako nakahanap din ng yung brown rice. Sarap talaga ng tinola. Grabe. Sarap, guys. Hello, baby boy. Oh my God, you just want to play. You want to play. That's what you want. It's so. Anyway, guys. So, I'm just. Oh my God, ang dami kong nakuliktang papel. So, ngayon, I'm going to clean up this office. Continue tayo. Kanina lang ako nakaupo dyan. So, ngayon, wala na masyadong papel. Nandun na sa bag. Okay, Bob? Okay, Bob? Ang dami kong nakulikta. At saka, ang dami kong nakitang papel. Nakailang tignan ni Mister. So you guys, wala ako ditong ano, baking, wala akong baking soda. So, ang gagamitin ko is baking powder. Ang gagamitin daw is, for example, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ang gagawin mo dito is you have to substitute as baking powder. You have to make it 3 times. Yan. So, konti, hindi natin ramihan na masyado. Yun, 3. Kung isang teaspoon, gagawin mo ng 3. Wala tayong alam. So, ito, tugma-tugma lang itong salt na to. Tugma-tugma, tugma-tugma. Okay, yun. Salty. Salty banana bread. So, i-mix ko lang siya. And then, ngayon, we need another bowl para lagyan ng sugar at saka butter. Half a cup of butter. Okay, half lang pala. Hindi siya whole butter. Half lang pala yung hiningi. Yun, yung 3/4 na, no, sugar. Yun. And then, i-mix natin yung sugar at saka yung butter. I'm not using hand mixer, guys. 2 eggs, damn. Still early for your food. Bigyan ko sila ng ano, kapag kumain sila, hintayin muna natin yung si Monkey. Okay, good girls. That's my good girls. Come here. Come. Come. You eat your din-din, good girls. Stay there. Who wants some bunsi? Who wants some bunsicles? Do you want some bunsy? Where's Misty? My Misty. There you go. There you go, Monkey. There you go, Roxy. Good girls. Gaming chair ko, guys, sa office ko. I'm just gonna let Hami have this for now. Kasi wala pa siya ang ang bigat. He doesn't have any chair for his office. So he can use it. And I need to really buy a rug. Kasi nag-slide siya. Sobrang madaling slide. Sa kanya muna yan. I really wanna paint this. But can't really look at that. Sira na nga ito. So for now, yun muna yung desk niya. Kasi alam nyo na. Very nosy. Nosy balasi. Sino ba sila? What? Andun siya sa... Tignan natin yung kung... Kasi may dinala agad siya sa baba. So, tignan natin kung... Ano yun. Oh my God. Why the heck? Honey, you buy like this frozen. You froze it and this probably go bad already. It's over there.
Oh, that goes upstairs to the refrigerator.
Then like you buy more of that turkey thing. And you put it under and hide it, and then we're not gonna end up using it. You still have enough there. There's still enough. Plus we're gonna go to New Rochelle. We're gonna use the old one. So what the heck are you buying here? What is this? You don't even get me lamb?
They have no lamb. I told you that.
Lamb yung gustong-gusto
That's
ko.
the guy, because I walked around and around and around. That's why I wanted to buy these, except for people walking around looking for the lamb. And I said, oh, I'll get this. Oh, I'll get this. And then I finally wait. The guy comes out of the butcher area, takes off his outfit, stuff goes out.
This is what happened, guys, when he is going crazy. Go to Costco. I told him he cannot go to Costco, and he ended up buying more, and he ended up spending too much.
Guys, this is what you get when you marry a Filipino. Bitch.
No. Takot.
Little man, your mom is bitching again.
Because he spent a lot of money already. It's over there. The bag is over there. The blue bag. Yun yung pinapalagi namin. Hindi man away pa. Palagi naming madiskasyonan ba ng parang nagtataasan ng boses namin. Kasi, palagi yan siyang ganyan, guys. Nakikita nyo naman yung freezer sa bahay. Sa isang bahay, dinala dito. 2 freezer. Ipa nito, clam chowder. Ay, nako. Sukar, magpakamatay sa diabetes. Kaya naman siya, bumili na naman siya ng tiramisu. Hindi nakakain, guys. Bumili siya nito again. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayaw ko nang punta ka pa sa mga tindahan-tindahan kasi nagugasto. Ibibake ko lang itong salmon na binili niya. 2 ganito, nilagay ko sa freezer yung isa lang. Bakit bumili siya ng malaking pork belly? And it's not skin, Han. There's no skin. It's just a fat. Seriously, Han.
It says pork belly. It's pork belly.
It's belly. There's no skin. So where is the crunch? Nothing.
I don't know. I just assumed it was pork belly.
Tapos na pala yung ano ko, guys. Look. Banana bread. Tapos na. Kainin natin yan mamaya. O bukas umaga. Sino bang hindi magalit yan? Look. Sino bang hindi magalit? Tignan nyo to. May party ba? That's why I get mad. Just look, tignan nyo yan. No, Han, because you cannot control yourself. And then you don't like when I get crazy because you can't control yourself. Okay? You cannot sit there because I'm crazy. Because look at you. You are crazy. Makes me crazy.
Okay.
Tignan nyo, ang daming pork. This is what gonna kill us, guys. Porky. Elk, elk, elk. Pig. Is that a pig noise?
I don't think so.
Oh, ah! Ah! Honey, ang ganda-ganda mo dong. Ang crunchy nito. Grabe. Crunchy. Can I try a little bit here? Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. I'm not joking. Hello, guys. May mga nagsasabi pala. Hold on, guys, ha. May mga, yung vlog ko, nasabi ko, magpadala ako sa Pinas. And then, yung mga pinakita ko, na mga gamit, nandun sa table, yung mga kristal, ito, mga gamit ni Bia na mga magagandang gamit. Hindi ito ipadala, guys. Yung mga box lang na pinakita ko sa inyo, may Lennox doon. at saka crystal, Clinics crystal. Yun, ipadala ko. Pero yung kay Biyanan, na sobrang ganda na mga crystal, yun, mga ganito, hindi ko ipadala, uy. Yung mga gamit ni Biyanan na magaganda, hindi ko yan pwede ipadala. Kasi, agad, ang gaganda. Katulad nito. And then, ilagay natin dito si bread. Safe na siya. So, yan, andyan lang siya dyan. Ito yung binili ni Tami na kainin niya. Ala, shit. So, ito yung sa akin salmon. Gusto ko pa yung lutuin. And then yan. Ito yung sa kanya. Ito yung hindi ko mag-gets. Kung bakit may sabaw. Anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Katatapos lang namin kumain. It's 8:30 na. And we're gonna end the vlog with my crazy hobby. We're going home. We're going home.
We're gonna have a cigarette.
Anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say night.
Hi guys.
Lalabas siya, manigarilyo daw siya. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Masarap yung salmon. At saka, okay lang daw yung pasta na kinain niya. Where are you going? So anyway guys, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And i-end ko na tong vlog. Maghakbat lang tayo guys kasi ayaw kong matulog na basa yung buhok ko. At saka ayaw kong mag-blow dry. So ang gagawin natin, let's half bath kasi gusto kong pababa, linis. So, yun. And, yun yung gagawin natin. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga time ninyo. And, yun. And, let's turn the shower. Look. Yan. So, anyway, guys, hapbat lang tayo. And, thank you, guys, so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.